Welcome everybody, my name is Mark Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily BCC or send a message, incognito message. So what you want to do is be in a Gmail account, click on compose to, you can write Marcus like me, and now you'll have it here to add a BCC recipient. So this is my email, and now I'm going to write like this one. This is my second mail. So this is BCC. Oh, wait a second, I need to edit it. Like that, like that, like that. BCC, and got it. 1, 2, 3. So right now when I'm going to send it, let's see. Okay, so this is the mail I see, and BCC, when I'm going to my second mail, see, to Mark and BCC here. So this is how it works. Compose, BCC, and CC. Yep. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that, and also write me down below in the comments what else would you like to learn, and I will make a video on it. Thank you everybody, and goodbye.